If you're looking to find a good cloud OS, you may just be in the right place. Today we're going to have a look at ZimaOS. We're also going to have a look at HexOS. We want to know which one stands out on top. So without further ado, let's climb in. Okay, let's have a look at ZimaOS. So it is cloud optimized. It's built specifically for modern cloud computing environments. It's architectured to protect critical workloads from the ground up. And it also supports massive applications across virtual machines as well as containers. It's engineered for low latency operations and high transaction volumes. It tracks system health and resources all in real time, and you can deploy patches and updates with minimal system interruptions. It also has advanced sandboxing technology, which keeps applications securely separated. You can connect seamlessly to any major public clouds as well as private clusters, and you get protected data at rest and in transit with compliance-ready features. Let's have a look at HexOS now, and it is a next-generation platform for high-volume business intelligence. It offers instant ingestion and transformation of structured as well as big data, and you can scale across on-premises and cloud infrastructures seamlessly. It distributes architecture, handles massive data sets effortlessly, and you can connect SQL, NoSQL databases, and REST API feeds. And its built-in machine learning recognizes patterns and forecast trends. The last thing we're having a look at here is some of the experience and collaboration. So you can actually customize your dashboard with widgets and alerts tailored to your specific needs. There's no coding required for most of the visualizations as well as the reports. You can control access with more role-based permissions and detailed audit logs. This ensures compliance with automated policy enforcement, and you can share reports instantly with team workspaces and annotation tools. This enables cross-department insights with a unified view. So there we go. With so many options available, it's often difficult to make a decision and stick to the decision. My advice always is to try all of your options, even if it is for a short amount of time, just to see what actually works for you with a more hands-on approach, and then make a decision thereafter. Just remember that we're all individuals and we all have individual needs. If this was really helpful, drop us a like and we'll see you next time.